crap long-term business model. This is the video that I saw someone that I actually know, someone that I had a call with recently. I'm not naming any names. I saw them do a TikTok video about this. I saw them do an Instagram video about this, and it got probably 12, 13,000 views. I want to explain my opinions on this. So let me explain exactly what he said. He said it is a crap long-term business model. He's got a lot of businesses, by the way, this guy. He's like a millionaire, okay? He's got Lamborghinis, Bentleys, etc., many businesses. Not Amazon businesses, funnily enough. So he said it was a crap long-term business model. He said that Amazon has got control of your business. You're only growing Jeff's net worth, and it's not actually your own brand, okay? It's not your own thing. Now, I did actually comment on this, and if anyone wants the link to this video, let me know and I'll put it below in the comments. I wanted to give my thoughts on this, whether I think this is a long-term business, a good long-term business model, wealth creation, asset, financial building ploy. Because, yeah, I mean, it probably triggered me a little bit, only because I know this guy, only because I know him, because I had actually a coaching call with him, and he charges godly amounts in his coaching business for training. So, yeah, let me explain what I think. I think that he, right, has obviously got, you know, his success in his current area, right? He's got his success, and he's made his success in the way that he's done it, right? The interesting thing is that anyone that's made really good money and become really successful thinks that their way is the best way. That's something that interesting that I learned from this. And it's fascinating, you know, but he can't see what I can see, just like I can't see what he can see. So I'm not saying he's wrong, but I think that he's misconstrued in the image that he's seeing of Amazon. So the first mistake that I think he's making is this. I think that he's thinking that Amazon is just a retail arbitrage model. Amazon is an online arbitrage model. I don't think he understands, or Amazon's wholesale, I don't think he understands that you can build a brand of significant worth, monetary value, and good profit, and your own brand that you can then extend off Amazon or keep on Amazon. There's nothing wrong with that. I think what he is thinking about when he made that video is people that are just going to a Tesco and buying products. And I have to sort of agree with him in that respect. For me, Amazon has never been something where I've wanted to just go down retail arbitrage shopping or just do online arbitrage where I'm buying products. That's almost like, it's not, right? And there's nothing wrong with that for making money. But I see what he means in terms of a long-term strategy if you're doing online arbitrage, retail arbitrage, or wholesale. I don't think that's a great long-term business. And I'm talking 10, 20 years. Like, there's nothing wrong with making good money of it. But the problem with that is that it's almost like an affiliate business. Do you know what I mean? You're buying products, you're selling them, and then they're on Amazon's platform, they're taking a big percentage, and then you're getting a little cut in between. Some people are making like 50p a sale on wholesale. That's almost an affiliate business, okay? Like, you don't own them, you know what I mean? It's like, yeah, that's what I think of that. But that doesn't mean you can't make good money from it. That doesn't mean I look down on anyone that does it, because I think, you know, everyone's got different skills, different abilities, and different interests. And if that interests you, that's good. But you do have to be aware of the fact that, yeah, for sure, Amazon are in charge of your business. And if they went bust, you would go bust. Now, here's where I think it's different. Here's what I think he hasn't looked at. People that are actually trying to build a brand on Amazon, right? Now, whether that's a brand that is like a house of brands where you sell other brands, like you are a wholesale distributor, like a proper distributor, and you are selling them on Amazon, you're selling off Amazon, etc., etc. I think he's wrong about that, because I think that's got long-term potential. And he also doesn't realise that there's always a way to make money on Amazon. He's looking at it from a fixed mindset that he is off Amazon, because he's not on Amazon. He's looking at it a fixed mindset because he doesn't understand how Amazon works, and there's always a way to make money on Amazon, even if they increase their fees, etc. What he's also not understanding is that people build a brand on Amazon. If you look at Anchor, for example, I think they're a £100 million worth brand, an electronics brand. Let me know if you heard of them below. They're worth a lot of money, and they're just an Amazon solely brand. I interviewed a guy called Ben Leonard a few videos back who founded Beast Gear. That was an Amazon related brand. He predominantly sold on Amazon, like 95%, and he exited his brand between 1 and 2 million, £3 million dollars. Can't remember exactly what it was. Thrasio bought that off him, and you could also make, and he was doing 6 million turnover a year in the process. So you can make seriously good money scaling a brand and selling a brand on Amazon, and if you want, you can scale it off Amazon as well. So when he says that there's no value in your business, your brand on Amazon, well, I disagree, because it's been proven that there is. People that sell their brands have been given millions for their brands. There's brands on there worth millions at the moment. Quite frankly, if you're a brand and you're not on Amazon, you're pretty stupid. You have to be on Amazon to make the most of that amazing platform. Okay, so what I'm saying is that I think he's misguided. He doesn't understand there's multiple selling models within Amazon, and that you can actually scale a brand on Amazon, off Amazon, etc., and make it very good money in the process. Therefore, that brand that you're building, that asset, does still have. Quick introduction from my brand new sponsor, Sellerboard. Now, I've been using Sellerboard since the start of my journey. It was one of the first softwares that I actually installed as an Amazon seller. Not only is Sellerboard brilliant at tracking your profits, it is also an extremely user-friendly dashboard. If you want to check it out with a two-month free trial, click the link below and get my 2 months free trial for Sellerboard, and you won't look back. See you in the next video. Have worth. And also, I don't think he understands that if you're a big brand on Amazon, or if you're a big company on Amazon, it's very unlikely, unless you do something really badly, that you're going to get permanently banned from Amazon. So it's actually a pretty safe, stable business model. I don't know anyone that's been permanently banned from Amazon unless they've been extremely stupid. You know, like trying to sell counterfeit goods. If you've got the right team behind you, the right resources, the right team with you, the right people helping you out, you can get your account back. I mean, if you're doing millions on Amazon, how is it a big expense to you to get the best lawyers in the world to get your account back in 2 days? Of course not. You know? So it is a long-term business model. It can be a great scaling opportunity. Your brand does have a lot of worth. But I have to agree with him in the sense that in terms of a long-term business model, and once again, I'm not slagging it off, but a long-term, I do online arbitrage in the USA. In terms of a long-term business model, I won't be doing online arbitrage in 5-10 years. That's all I'm saying. But it's a great money earner, and also you can build a significant brand on Amazon. So that's my sort of disagreement video reply to a video that I saw on TikTok or Instagram recently. So I hope to see you in the next video.